Gotta trim that stud in there up. So today's episode is going to be pretty crazy. We just carried a subframe from outside into the house, into the basement, and we just carried the 300 set X block into my dining room. So this bad boy's sitting in the dining room right now, and we're gonna go pull the 240 engine, and it's gonna go on a stand right here. So yeah, I'm gonna set something up on the floor to hold the stand, and we're gonna get going.
Oh, fuck.
It was set up.
Idiots.
So I'm just gonna go on record here and say I'm not a chain smoker. The only reason you guys see me smoking all the time is because I film on my smoke breaks. But this is what we got going on so far. Got the radiator out, got all the lines out. Most of the harness is undone, the exhaust is undone. Now we're gonna jack it up and do a couple other things, and then we'll time lapse the actual pulling of the engine. But we got a little tent made up here. You can see we fixed it. And got the engine crane here, but we just gotta jack it up now, so we're gonna do that and keep moving and moving. Jevin, where the fuck are we at?
We out here.
No, but like, on this, where are we at?
Very close.
Very, very close. You see the drain pipe or ice cream bucket down there, collecting the tranny. There's the oil. But yeah, we're going to start a time lapse as soon as I have a jack under the transmission holding it and the engine mounts are off and this is set up, and then we're gonna time lapse the pull, time lapse pulling the tranny and clutch and all that, and got a couple time lapses of us carrying it into the house. So on that note, everything's going smooth. Look at this, I even got brand new tires.
Ow.
There's still chunks of sticker on them.
My head.
How's it going down there?
Not good. Oh!
That was for Walmart yesterday.
What we do here is go back.
So, she's out in the air. Gotta shut her down, pop the bad boy off here. I wonder what was leaking. Oh, had a bad exhaust leak right here. A real bad one, actually. So, looks like all this just came from the head, from the valve cover. Alright. But, we are going to pop all this shit off and get it in the house. So montage time. Okay, so I'm about to bring some inside parts inside and get the engine inside. Yeah, pretty stoked. Time to do some boosty things. Hell yeah. Ooh. So, standing where the engine crane was. I'll show you where it is in a minute. But for now, it is empty. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I might tube the chassis. I don't know. Don't know what I'm doing with the chassis yet. So we'll figure all that out at another day. But I'll show you what's up with the engine, and that'll be pretty much the end of this video, and next week we'll be tearing down the engine. Although, I will be filming that tonight. It's on filming. But, closing up the tank here. And it's ridiculous how much that little KA actually weighs. Look at that fucking height difference now. That's ridiculous. Pushed her up a little, tucked her up. Grab my starter. Yeah, I know. Check this out, guys. Gonna probably bring a lamp in here when I'm tearing the engine down tonight, so you guys can see what up. But this is where I'm gonna end this video. Check back next week for us to tear this bitch down. Alright. Sweet. Peace. Love it. The only thing is, gotta trim that stud in there up.